Mr. Avinash, you are appearing for Karnataka Bank.
Yes, sir. Karnataka Bank.
Which date
Yeah.
interview, which place?
It is on 15th February, sir, in Hyderabad.
In Hyderabad. Is this your second
Yes.
mock with me?
Yes, sir. Second one.
Good. What is your degree?
My basic degree was BSc Computer Science, sir, and my post graduation is in MBA, Banking and Financial Services.
MBA in Financial Services. Correct?
Yes, sir. Banking and Finance.
Oh, MBA in Banking and Finance.
Yes,
Good. That's right. Can you describe the banking scenario in our country?
yes, sir. Uh,
Please, please,
actually,
yeah.
sir, Indian banking sector is well regulated, sir, and it's a capital-rich environment is there. Uh, and also some digital initiatives taken by so many banks, sir. Uh, and the bank's growth also imposes to the economic growth of the country. It will like it will shows the growth of the country, sir.
Mm. No, no, but the question like this, what is the banking scenario? You should be able to tell me which is the central bank, what type of banks are there, how it is functioning. Like that, why don't you tell in detail?
Sir, actually, I didn't understand that question, so that's
You have
can I
studied
try again, sir?
banking. You have studied banking. So I asked about banking scenario in the country. Banking scenario means how it is seen in our country now.
Yes, sir. Uh, actually, the Bankers Bank is headed by the Reserve Bank of India. It will regulate all banks in India, sir. There are several types of banks in India, like public sector banks, private sector banks, local area banks, cooperative banks, and also there are some non-banking finance companies. Yeah.
Mm,
These are all regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Uh,
mm,
Other than this, one State Bank of India has also nationalized bank in India, sir. Uh,
mm.
there are 12 public sector banks in India, sir, and 22 private sector banks, sir.
Mm. Okay, Mr.
This is
Yeah, please tell me what is meant by demand deposits.
that demand deposits are nothing but CASA deposits, sir. Uh, the amount which are being there in the CASA deposits uh, total is known as the demand deposit of that bank, sir.
Should banks like to have more of demand deposits or less of demand deposits?
Sir, it should be more, sir. Why? Because the where the bank can cuts the cost of funds, sir. So it will be more. Bank will uh, there will be less in the cost of funds to the bank, sir.
Hmm, good. Now, what are time deposits?
So term deposits are like it should be fixed for the for some time in the commit. Sorry, sir. Contracted times.
See, I asked
These
you
are like
time
fixed
deposits. You
deposits
should
and
have told
recurring
me
deposits.
example, fixed deposit, recurring deposit. Fixed deposit,
Yes,
minimum
sir.
period this much, maximum period this much.
Seven. Yeah.
Why don't you tell specifically
Sorry, sir.
what is
Sir,
your
for
father?
fixed deposit, sir, my father is a private teacher.
Private teacher. Yeah. You have been with me for so many days. You have been preparing, but why are you not able to talk with with a lot of confidence? There is less of confidence in you. Please tell me, what do
Sir,
you know
before,
about Karnataka Bank?
yes, sir. Karnataka Bank is established in 1924, sir. Uh, and it was and the founder of the Karnataka Bank is Mr. Vyasaraya Achar. Uh, and the vision is to be progressive, prosperous, and well-grounded bank, sir. Uh,
Hmm.
in 1960, it acquired the Sringeri Sharada Bank.
Hmm.
In 1964, it it took over the assets and liabilities of the Chitradurga Bank, and then it also acquired the Bank of Karnataka, sir.
Hmm.
Uh, in 2000, it signed a MOA with Infosys for digital development in the bank, sir,
Hmm.
through CBS as a core banking solution.
Hmm.
And then in 2003, it shifted its banking headquarters from Kadia Bail to Kankanbadi, sir.
No, but see,
On
when listen, you are lessening your marks by going too much into history. Instead, you could have come to real life situation,
real time, yes, sir.
and you could have told number of branches, number of ATMs, number of directors, names of MD, CEO, chairman, then HR. I mean, awards received by them, corporate social responsibilities, activities done by them, new schemes introduced by them, digital products brought by them. If you are told, you will be given more marks. If you
Sir,
talk like this, you will be given low marks because it seems as if somebody is coming and telling about all his negative problems to the other person. I am not having rice in my house. I am not having sugar in my house. So you talk like this when you meet a new person. What impression will he get out of you? And even that history, you are not remembering properly to tell.
sorry, sir.
I will ask questions.
I will update my
whi-
knowledge, sir.
I will ask questions which you can answer definitely. Please tell me, when was the last monetary policy committee meeting held?
It is on February 7th, sir, 2020.
What was
Yesterday
the
itself.
change brought about in that?
Uh, in the repo rate cut to 25 base points, sir. Earlier it was 6.5%. Now it is to 6.25%.
Good. What is the present CRR?
4%, sir.
Okay. What is call money?
Sir, call money is a money market instrument, sir, which would be useful to banks to get the funds from other banks, sir. In like in 20 the time limit is 24 hours, sir, for the call money.
PM Jan Dhan Yojana.
Yes, sir. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is a scheme backed up by the government of India, sir, in the view of financial inclusion. Uh, it is a zero balance account uh, for the lower income group persons, sir. And
Hmm.
there is a OD facility in this, sir, up to 10,000 based on the customer and based on the bank, sir.
What is the FD rate allowed by Karnataka Bank? Maximum FD interest rate.
Sir, for senior citizen, for 375 days, it is giving 8.25%, sir. For normal regular general public, they are offering for around 7.75%.
Did you go through latest? Because yesterday the might have changed. I have not gone.
No, sir.
And
I'm trying to see the website. It is not like there was an issue with the website, sir, from
okay, no
afternoon itself.
problem. Yeah. Then tell me, what is sovereign gold bond? Is it an advanced
Yes, sir.
scheme
Sovereign.
or is it a digital product? or what is it?
No, sir. It is a gold bond scheme backed up by the RBI, sir. Uh, like we can buy, for example, we can buy the gold in terms of physical bonds, sir. The RBI can issue the bond on behalf of the gold value. Uh, the minimum uh, purchasing SBG is 2 grams, sir, and maximum up to 4 kilograms for an individual, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what is NBFC,
Sir, NBFC is known as a non-banking financial company, sir.
which is the
Uh,
largest non-banking finance company?
Bajaj Finance Limited, sir.
Very good. Can you tell me what is bad debts?
Bad debts. Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it. Actually,
It is bad debts is
I
NPA.
know the name, sir.
Bad
Oh,
debts
okay,
is
okay, okay.
NPA
Sorry, sir,
only.
I'm confused. Right, sir.
Okay. You are from which state? Telangana?
No, sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Who is your chief minister?
Sir, Mr. Nara Chandrababu Naidu, sir.
Recently, I read a report. It seems chief minister has released a report stating that the performance of ministers ranking. Which minister was ranked first in performance?
Recently, I'm not remember that one, sir. Actually, I got to know that. Uh, I don't
And
know the who is first,
what
sir.
is the rank he has given for him? Nara Chandrababu Naidu. He said his rank is
Sir,
sixth in that.
fifth, sixth, yes, sir, yes, sir. I, I'm confusing fifth and sixth.
He has put him at
And his
sixth
son
place.
also is a one minister, sir. His rank is eighth, sir.
I am asking who was the first ranking minister. I have not read that. I thought you can tell me. Please explain about UPI.
Sir, UPI is a unified payments interface, sir. It was introduced by NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, in 2016, sir. Uh, with that UPI, we can send money to uh, our contacts or through bank account throughout the 24 by 7, sir, in 365 days without going the bank. And also, there are so many features in the UPI. We can pay the bills. Uh, uh, we can pay the insurance bills and etc.
Very good. Last question.
Mobile recharge.
Please tell me what is the expansion of LIBOR?
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat?
What is the expansion of LIBOR?
Sir, it is L, L for London.
Hmm,
Sir,
correct.
it is London Interbank something, sir. London Interbank offer rate or
Very good.
offering rate.
Very good. Best wishes. I wanted to conclude with a question. You are answering correctly. Best wishes. Prepare very well. Not sufficient. Your preparation. Your confidence level is also low. Please prepare adequately and go attend the interview with
Yes, sir.
confidence. Send the questions they are asking you. More than that, you have my blessings. God bless you.